Hey guys, welcome back to another video where we're going to analyze the price of Bitcoin. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sarah, and on this channel, I teach how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. I also make quick technical analysis videos like this. Most of my analysis tend to be accurate. So if you would like to be getting first dibs on that, then make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you can stay updated whenever I post the next video. Yes, I do believe that this is the last chance to buy Bitcoin at a discount. I really believe this, and I'm going to show you why I believe this. Okay, so let's jump right into the chart. Right now, I'm looking at the monthly time frame. Okay, now Bitcoin has been at a huge discount for quite some time now. The highest price that Bitcoin has ever gone to is 69,198, and right now it is currently trading at 41,450. And this is basically a 30% discount. And I believe that right now is the last chance to buy Bitcoin at this price. And this is based on this pattern that I am seeing here. I want to start out by talking about the support and resistance that we have here on the monthly time frame. So you can see here the support is basically between 29,000 and 34,000, and then the resistance is between 61,000 and 69,000. This is where the resistance is. Now, the first time that Bitcoin arrived at this support, what happened? You can see we got a huge bounce back up. Bitcoin went all the way to 67,000 just from this support here. Okay, now the same thing is happening right now. Now, Bitcoin, the moment it got to 69,000, it got rejected there and then it started crashing. As we were crashing, we finally found support at around 34,000. And this is confirmed by this bullish candle that we had here in February. We closed above this price, okay? And then the following candle was also a bullish candle. Now, something I want to point out to you here is this. I want you to look at this pattern, okay? I feel like history is repeating itself right now for Bitcoin. This is why I believe, like I strongly believe that May is going to be a huge month for Bitcoin. We're going to see Bitcoin go to 60,000 or possibly higher, okay? Only if it breaks this 69,000. If we don't break this 69,000, then I don't think it's going to go higher. But I believe that right now it's the last chance to buy Bitcoin because of this pattern that I'm seeing. If you look at this past candle, when Bitcoin found support around this area, what happened? We got the first bullish candle, okay? And then we got another bullish candle. And this is exactly what has currently happened here the past month. We got the first bullish candle, okay, in February. And then the second bullish candle, we got it in March. Now look again here in the past, okay, in September, after the two bullish candle, we got a bearish candle, okay? Now, what is happening here? In April, we have this bearish looking candle. This candlesticks patterns here are basically repeating the previous. They're basically mirroring these candlestick patterns here. So I see that this candle here is possibly going to be bearish, just like this one was bearish. Now, after this bearish candle, what happened? We got a huge bullish candle that brought us all the way to 67,000. And this is what I believe is going to happen in May. After we are done with this bearish candle, the next candle that forms in May, okay, on the monthly time frame, is going to bring Bitcoin all the way to like 60,000. And when we get to 60,000, yes, we do have huge resistance between 61,000 and 69,000. That's a huge resistance for Bitcoin. So hopefully Bitcoin is able to break through this resistance. If it doesn't, if we actually end up getting a bearish monthly candle around this area, then this is going to bring the price down. So this is what I am saying. This is the last month. This is the last chance to buy Bitcoin at a discount. It is the last chance to buy Bitcoin at a discount. So right now I would definitely be buying Bitcoin. If you're like investing in it, definitely buying it at this price level, and then take your profit when it gets to like 60,000, because that's, I expect a major sell-off to happen around that area. So yeah, now let's jump down to the smaller time frame to quickly see what's happening here. So on the daily time frame, we had this trend line here, which Bitcoin was trading above. Up until this point here, Bitcoin ended up breaking out of this trend line. And then what followed after was these two next bullish candle. We ended up closing back inside of it, but I think this was actually a trap. And this was confirmed by this bearish candle here. This bearish candle actually ended up closing outside of it. Okay, it closed outside of it, and the price started trading down. And then we had this recent candle here that went all the way to 38,400, which was to be expected, you know. So now Bitcoin seems to have bounced back up. We have two bullish candle, has seemed to have broken back inside this trend line. Okay, now that's a good thing. What I want to see is this next daily candle, what's going to happen. I do believe actually that this next daily candle is actually going to close higher. I think it's going to go all the way to 42,000. This is where the next resistance is. And then now the major resistance to watch out for is the 45,500. This is still a major resistance that Bitcoin has to break above. And then after that, we also have the resistance here, okay? This trend line has been a huge resistance for Bitcoin. You can see here, this is the weekly time frame, okay? So on the weekly time frame, we have this trend line here. Bitcoin has just been finding resistance after resistance on it. So yeah, on the weekly time frame, I want to see Bitcoin actually close above this resistance. We had this first one that closed, but then it wasn't as powerful, and that's why we crashed. So the next weekly candle that comes near this resistance, I want to see it close above it, and this would mean that the price has to close above 50,000. Okay, if the price closes above 50,000 on the weekly time frame, this is a good sign, and we can expect the price to start heading higher. However, based on the monthly time frame, I do see this happening. Okay, the monthly time frame is telling us that Bitcoin is set for a big move to the upside. So no matter what the smaller time frame are telling us, the bigger time frame has the final say in what's going to happen. So yeah, guys, this is all the analysis for today. I hope you found some value out of this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you in the next video.